Hello and welcome. Today my name is Victory, and in this guide we're going to be learning about React event handling. Now in this guide we're going to create a very simple React application that will allow us to get a user input, and we're going to display that input in real time as the user is typing. Now if you're excited to learn about this, let's proceed as we commence.
Alright, so over here I've actually cleared out everything we have in our React boilerplate so that we can start as a blank slate. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do here is to import use state from React. So over here I'm going to create a state variable over here. So it's going to be const text. I'm going to use set. I'm going to use set text, right, to handle that from use state. So it's going to be empty. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to create a function that will be fired whenever we type an input. So the way we do that, I'm going to set const handle change. We're going to handle an event. Okay, so we have this function over here. Now the next thing we're going to proceed is to create that input element. So I'm going to call input. Okay, so the type is going to be text and the value is going to be the value that the user entered. So we're going to call the onChange event handler. All right, so we've created our input here. So the next thing we're going to do is to create paragraph here that will allow us to dynamically display whatever the user types. So we're going to do this. You typed right here is going to be the text. Okay, so we'll save this and we'll check it out on our browser. So recap, we've created an input element here and the type is going to be text. So whatever value the user entered, we'll fire this function which will create a call handle change to handle that. So lastly, I forgot to add very important over here. So set text here is going to get us event.target.value. okay, so this will get us the value, okay, whenever the user enter an input. So let's save this and check our browser. Okay, so we have this. So I'm going to type my name is Victory. So this is what we have here. It displays to us my name is Victory. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.
All right, thank you very much for following through. If you love that video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.